you're experiencing verification issues with Wells Fargo after multiple failed attempts, follow these steps to resolve the problem effectively. Step 1. Gather information. Collect all necessary information related to your account, including your account number, social security number, and any recent transaction details. This will help you verify your identity when contacting customer support. Step 2. Contact customer support. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Follow security protocols. Be prepared to answer security questions to confirm your identity. This may include questions about your recent transactions, account balances, or personal information. Ensure you have this information readily available. Step 4. Update account information. If your verification issues stem from outdated or incorrect information, ask the representative to help you update your account details. This may include your phone number, email address, or mailing address. Step 5. Attempt verification again. Once your information has been updated and verified, try the verification process again. Follow the prompts carefully and ensure you enter the correct information to avoid further issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your verification issues with Wells Fargo. If problems persist, consider visiting a local branch for in-person assistance.